If you can make just $100 online every month, it can change your life more than you think. It may not sound like a lot, but $100 is more than just money. It's proof that you can earn online, proof that you can start small, and proof that bigger opportunities are possible. Here's the truth. $100 a month is powerful for beginners. Why? Because it shows you the system works. It teaches discipline, it builds confidence, and it's the first step toward financial freedom. You don't need a fancy laptop, experience, or a big investment. You only need the willingness to start and follow a simple plan. Before we jump into the methods, let's do a quick mindset shift. Making money online is not magic, and it's not only for tech geniuses. Anyone can start, including you. Fear, doubt, or lack of experience, these are normal. But they're not excuses. The only thing that matters is taking action. Your first $100 will prove to yourself that you can do this. Now, let's talk methods. The first method is freelancing. Freelancing is offering your skills to people online, and it doesn't have to be complicated. You can start with writing, design, or translation. For example, writing simple articles, creating social media posts, or translating documents. You don't need to be perfect. Clients want results, not perfection. Beginners often earn their first $10 to $50 from small tasks. To start, sign up on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, create a simple profile, list the service you can provide, and submit proposals. Small wins build momentum. Method 2 is selling digital services. These are small services that people need. Logos, captions, video editing, even proofreading. You don't need previous experience. For example, someone created simple Instagram graphics for $20 each and sold 5 in a week. You can start using free tools like Canva or basic video editors. List your service on social media or freelancing sites. The key is consistency. The first client is always the hardest, but once you get one, the next is easier. Method 3 is content creation. Yes, YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Beginners often think it takes years to earn, but even simple videos can grow into income over time. You can start without fancy equipment, just your phone and free editing apps. Make tutorials, tips, or reviews. One video can bring your first $5 to $20 from ads or affiliate links and gradually grow. The secret is consistency and learning as you go. The first $100 is proof you can turn effort into money. Method 4 is online microtasks or small gigs. These are simple tasks anyone can do, like data entry or surveys. Each task may pay $1 to $5, but they add up. Beginners can earn their first $50 to $100 quickly. Platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Clickworker are perfect for this. The goal here is starting the habit of earning online. Now, let's look at common mistakes beginners make. First, giving up too early. Most people quit after a few days because results are slow. Patience is key. Second, expecting fast money. Online income grows slowly. Your first $100 is just the beginning. Third, not learning skills. You need to improve continuously. Every skill you learn now multiplies your income later. Here's a step-by-step beginner plan. Day 1 to 7. Focus on learning. Take one method, watch tutorials, and read guides. Week 2 to 3. Start practicing. Create profiles, offer services, and post content, even if imperfect. Week 4. Aim for your first earnings. Take small jobs, complete tasks, and deliver results. Track everything. Celebrate your first $10, then $50, then $100. Every milestone builds confidence. Let's be honest, this is not easy. You will face doubts, mistakes, and slow days, but it is possible. Your first $100 is not about money. It's about proving to yourself that you can start, take action, and succeed. You don't need to wait for the perfect time, skill, or equipment. Start with what you have. Learn as you go. $100 a month is a mindset shift. It shows that earning online is real and that you can take control. Your first step is today. Open a free account, pick one service, or start a short video. Take action now. Your first $100 is proof you can learn, grow, and earn. And from here, bigger opportunities will follow. If this video helped you, Subscribe to Finrise. We share step-by-step tips for beginners to grow your income. Remember, every journey starts with the first step. Take yours today and watch your life change.